Freedom. Controlling your time is the highest dividend money pays. The highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up every morning and say, I can do whatever I want today. People want to become wealthier to make them happier. Happiness is a complicated subject because everyone's is different. But if there is a common denominator in happiness, a universal fuel of joy, it is that people want to control their lives. The most powerful common denominator of happiness was simple. Having a strong sense of controlling one's life is a more dependable predictor of positive feelings of